Welcome to Draw with Skip. Today, we'll draw a cat.
I'm allergic to cats.
Well, I promise this cat won't make you sneeze. Okay, let's draw lightly with our pencil an oval. And then another one. Next, we'll draw our cat's ears. One over here like this. And one on the other side like this. I'm going to draw a line down the center of our oval here. It doesn't have to be perfect. Mine sure isn't. On either side, we'll put the eyes. 1 and 2. Now we'll draw in that nose. Now for the mouth area, we'll make some lines like this. And one more down here, like this. Great. Okay, a curved line sort of in the middle of that other oval, right there, and then a straight line going down. Okay, another line, and another line. Those are the front paws. Let's draw 2 ovals at the bottom. One right here, like this. And then the other. Now for the back paws, 2 more ovals. One over here, like this. And here. Now I think our cat should be fluffy. So let's draw a big fluffy tail. Right over here, like this. Now it's time to ink in our cat. So if our cat's fluffy, our line should be sort of fluffy. So I like to draw it like this. Around the ear, and around the head, the other ear, and down here. Great. Okay, let's ink in that nose. Okay, the line here, and on the other side. Let's not forget this one. And the eyes. 1 and 2. Now I like to put 3 lines here. You don't have to do 3 lines, 4 lines, 2 lines, whatever. Okay, the whiskers. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now for the body. Right down there. And on the other side. Right down to those bottom ovals. Okay. This curved line here. And then the line straight down. Make it fluffy, doesn't have to be perfect. That line and that line. Okay, now those paws. Those are those ovals we made. So we'll start here and go around to that center line. Okay. To show the paws, I like to draw little lines like this. Now those back paws. Let's trace that line like this. And the other side. And those little lines to show the paws. Make sure you add those. And on the other side. Now that fluffy tail. Like this. Great! Now let's erase our pencil lines. Brush off our eraser dust. And there you have it. A cat. It's your turn to color. I hope you had fun. See you next time.